Ross of TDR Academy of Movement and Therapy. This is the last video that I'm giving you on the gentle movements taken from the Noi group, just in terms of giving you that nerve glider, slider, flosser, whatever you want to call it, so that it's hopefully just taking a little bit of movement through the radial nerve. Please make sure you've watched our neurodynamic testing video and make sure that you've done the active test before doing these, otherwise there's almost no point. It's just to see is it significant enough for you to do it. If you're getting nervy symptoms on that radial test, specifically for you on one limb, for example, then take it through another one of these movements. Starting at 10 gentle flowing movements, and we're going to pretend that we're literally looking behind to see our hand. So with this, the palm is face up, elbows soft, and we're going to turn the palm, fingers towards you and underneath, and as it goes underneath you, you're literally taking the whole arm into internal rotation. If I go the full way and I feel irritation in any structures, then stop. Take it short of that. If I drop off a little bit less internal rotation, it's a little bit less in terms of the symptoms. And that way then you're taking it to the edge of the movement that your body can tolerate. So as you're taking it through, I want you to use the head movement to look back at the hand, look forward in between whenever you rest. So you could do both sides, becomes a bit funkier. Some 80s dance move. So feel free to have music playing. But whenever you're going through this, again, keep it short of symptoms so that it is a glider as opposed to a tensioner. Around about 10 on each side, and then start to progressively over the course of the week, start to build it up towards 20. The hope is that you don't really feel anything with them, but whenever you retest again, that you feel that the symptoms are less. Or maybe you notice that in your everyday life if you've been getting them in certain movements. So I hope this has been useful. Let me know. I would love to hear if they have been helpful to you. They certainly are helpful with my clients that present with positive tests in the clinic. So from that point of view, also in my classes, like I sometimes add in these movements just generally within my classes, Pilates and sometimes in yoga, and they maybe don't know that they're doing them, but just to make sure that we're encouraging movement, not just of the joints, the muscles, but also of the nerve tissues. So hopefully you find this useful. Again, please leave us a comment, and then certainly from there, if you would subscribe to the channel, then we can keep you notified of other videos that come out. So thanks for watching, and maybe we'll see you again soon. Thanks.